Hi there, students. Probity. Probity is usually an uncountable noun. Probity means honesty, integrity, the quality of proven moral principles. He's a man of probity. It's confirmed that he is honest, moral, and decent. The policy of this government is of doubtful probity. The honesty and morality of it is dubious. Maybe they're not doing it for the good of the nation, but for some other reason. So, probity, decency, goodness, honesty, honour, virtue, uprightness, righteousness. It's the opposite of evil or wicked. The probity of many of the large banks is in question, has been called into question. The scandal impugned his probity. To impugn, to suggest that it's not true. Impugned, disputed the fact. So it impugned his probity. It suggested that maybe he wasn't honest. Victorian society claimed to be one of the utmost probity. But the reality behind the veil was very, very different. The probity of our glorious leader is rather questionable. So probity, honour, integrity, honesty. And this has been shown, it's been proven. It's not just something people think, but it's confirmed as well. So the next question, how formal is this word probity? I think I'd probably give it a 7.5, even an 8 in formality. So not one for a conversation in the pub. Honesty or integrity, I think, in an informal conversation. But using something semi-formal or something very formal. So let's see, this word came to us through French. There's a Middle French word, probité, and that in itself comes from Latin, probitas, uprightness or honesty. So the probity of a person, the honesty, the fact that this is a decent, upright, moral person, and a formal word. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Probity.